Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to launch Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. To launch the Microsoft Planner, you just have to follow these simple steps based on how you'd like to access it. All right. So number one is you might want to go to the website wherein you can access the office.com and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. All right. I want you to click on it. And then once you are logged in, obviously all you have to do is search for the Microsoft Planner, which is going to be found on one of these apps. All right. So OneNote, Forms, Calendar, Sway, Engage, and obviously you have the planner here. All I'm going to do now is click this to launch it. All will happen is you would be forwarded here in this section. Just wait for it to load. It'll take a little bit of time. And then there you go. Basically, that's how you create or launch the Microsoft Planner. All right. And from here, you can access the plans that you are working with right here and just continue with the task that you are doing. Obviously, that's the easiest way for you to launch the Microsoft Planner. But of course, if you encounter any problems launching your Microsoft Planner account here, you might want to go to the Microsoft Customer Support Service. And from here, you might want to go to the Microsoft 365. If you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you're having problems launching your Microsoft Planner. All right. They would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. Normally, you might want to also check if you are using a VPN or if your internet connection is not active. So you might want to check all of these before you get to the Microsoft support team. And you can also go to the non-admin user of a business account here by clicking on this thing right here. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.